Hello everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be giving you some tips on what you can do if status bar isn't working in your device Samsung Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4. So if you want to fix status bar problem in your device Samsung Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix status bar problem in your device.